Let's eat, guys. Seafood strada, oh. Clams, shrimp, seaweeds, lato. Yan. Tapos may slice. Okay, rock and roll. So, lagyan natin sa stand ng kuan. Yan. Oh, yeah. Yan, lagay na. So, right now, we're watching videos from living after 50s and Ma'am Fatima. And so, shout out Ma'am Fatima. And then, living after 50s. 50. Yan. Sa kabilang dako, tapos ko lang yata. Tapos ko lang na play si Wow Karachi, yeah. Full views, yeah. So ika hindi na ma-open. Ito yung play ko gana si Wow Karachi saka si Norin Village Life, yung dalawa. At saka ngayon meron tayong ipi-play yung the newest. Let's play the newest video of Ma'am Shen. Okay. So, na-shout out ko na si Living After 50, shout out. Si Ma'am Fatima, Shahida, shout out. And then, si Norin at saka yung isa, nakalimutan ko na. I forgot the name. Ngayon, shout out tayo kay Ma'am Shen Piano Salon. Shen's Piano Salon DIS. And then, this is the new video of Ma'am Shen Hijud. Okay. So, play natin ang video ni Ma'am Shen. Yeah, this is it. So, while eating, maganda to pang cover ng video natin, no? Yan, no? While eating seafoods, listening to new video of Ma'am Shen. Yan. I'm not listening, I'm watching, because if you listen, you're gonna have a copyright. So, watch lang tayo, ha? Okay, meron akong sounds doon. Anyway, kain tayo. Let's eat and eat and eat. Okay. Meron akong, this is the podtog. Yan, para hindi tayo madumihan. Kukuha tayo ng laman doon. Saka dito. Ito yung masarap, yung lato. Lato ito to, oh. Kind of seaweeds ba? Yan. Luto pala ito ng anak ko. Magaling yung anak ko magluto. Around yan. Magaling sa Korean dish, Japanese, Filipino dishes. Galing yan. Mga kuhan sa luto. Pero she's costume graduate. Hindi siya culinary or HRM. Love lang talaga niyang magluluto. Anyway, kaya marami kaming pagkain kasi luto ng luto. Anyway, okay, salamat tayo sa Diyos. Grasya yan, di ba? Anyway, kain tayo. Kabilang table is pang play ko yun. Doon, yung isang chair ko. Okay. Ito sa kabila, yung laptop nandoon. Mayroon TV para sa kung mabuboring ka, manood ka ng TV. Tapos, ito yung table ko. May tablecloth pa. Kainan. Dito tayo magbablog. Eating while supporting our fellow YouTuber. Small and big YouTuber. Charot. Ito pala yung pagkain natin. Mais. May mais pala tayo. This is rice corn. Rice sa corn grind. Then make it as a rice. Ito. It's a rice corn. It's my paborito ng mga Pilipino, Bisaya. Lalo na especially sa Cebu. Ito kami sa Cebu, Lapu-Lapu, Cebu. At ito naman yung ating seafood soup. Seaweed soup. Yan. So, kain tayo konti. Konti lang kayo, may parto pa tayo. Ay. Yan, kaya. I-focus ko mo guys. Ayan, hindi ma-focus. Yan. Tama na ba? Ayan, okay na. Hindi na kita mais. Anyway, okay na. Hindi na makita yung rice. Okay. The main dish is the important. So, Ma'am Shen is done with the video. Yeah. Tapos siya sa kanyang Hey Jude. And don't forget to watch the new video of Ma'am Shen, guys. Don't forget to subscribe her channel. Yan, nabait yan. Okay. She's very talented and then very generous. And then, Ma'am, we have also the Campanilla, the second, the latest din ito niya. Previously, the latest one. Now we have the Hey Jude. Ito na yung sa una, yung Campanilla niya. Okay. Pangit na yung cellphone ko. Sorry cellphone is very old. I'm using the new cellphone for my camera. Excuse me, may ubo. Saka yung isa para this the new one for the shout out talaga malaki kasi yung pang-replay maliit-liit lang saka luma yung the old cellphone I'm using right now from doon sa kay I'm using the two old cellphone playing with Ma'am Fatima and living after 50s is use were the old cellphone. So hindi mo nga malagyan ng ending hours or minutes nga ilan na ang minutes na mo. Lagyan mo lang ng full watch. Hindi kagaya ng mga bagong cellphone. The new cellphone ito yung bagong cellphone ko. Maganda to. Malagyan mo yan ng mga ilang oras ka na pero kailan yun, pang play lang yan sa YouTube, di ba? So, hindi na tayo nakakain, 8 minutes na. So, next is eating contest na.